Hi guys, here's a quick open box review for WORKPRO Security Bit Set 32 pieces screwdriver set. I received this product as an evaluation sample from the vendor WORKPRO, but I will share my independent and honest opinion. Let's open the box. Here's everything on the table. Here's a little welcome menu with all the WORKPRO product. And here is the deal. And here is the beautiful design, very heavy duty box. It's about a 4-inch long, 2.5-inch wide, and about a 1.5-inch height. It weighs about 265 gram and almost 10 ounce weight. Very nice design. Here is the open slots. And what I really like is there are patent technology, so you can free stack those two packages very securely, because on the back side they have a hook. On the front side, the hook also connect both boxes very securely. I really like this design. And also there is a hook on the back. You can also put it on the wall to hold on the tools. So it's very easy to secure and storage your tools. And here is the beauty. They have a 30 different screwdriver bit, 30 different set, and then the other two pieces, one is the 1/4-inch connector, and also the other one is the standard magnetic holder. The magnetic holder is very strong. You can see each bit is actually made by corrosion resistance material, the CR material. I really want to highlight that. And here is the DeWalt, my power tools. I can fully compatible. I can put it on my those power drive. This is a small size power drive. I can put it on the real bit holders, no problem. This is a bigger size with the 3 teeth holders. I can put it on. I can quickly switch on. Here's the other thing I really like, the container. You can very easy to switch on the different bit size or screwdriver bit size, because everything is in the contained holder. Very good quality. Again, you can see this is also the magnetic container. You put everything on the beautiful box. Overall 5 stars, heavy duty product. I really like it. Thanks.